Here we have the Bergeon 4039 and 4040 movement holders. The jaws are adjustable in width using this nut here threaded through the centre. They're both reversible and double-sided. Each size has a different size opening to grip a variety of sizes of movement. The smaller 4039 is designed to hold movements from 3 3/4 line up to 11 line, which is approximately 8 to 25 millimeters in diameter. The larger 4040 is designed to hold movements from 8 3/4 line up to 19 line, which is approximately 19 millimeters up to 42 millimeters in diameter. They are both made entirely from metal, but Bergeon also produce both sizes with plastic jaws. The idea being that plastic reduces the potential to mark a movement. However, being plastic, there will be a compromise on strength, durability and longevity, and they're also very similar in price.